guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I don't want my video to be too long, but I'm gonna do breakfast and dinner in one video. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make for breakfast, and then later on I'll show you what I'm gonna make for dinner and bring you through the process. Okay, this morning I'm gonna do some callaloo. So that callaloo, I'm gonna cut it up, and after cut it up, I'm gonna wash it with some salt. So I will show you the process. Okay, and then this is some callaloo. I planted this one, so this is what I get from my little garden. So I'm gonna add it to that one that I'm gonna cut up. I have 2 eggs there too. Also, I'm gonna boil those 2 eggs, and I have an avocado there. Right, avocado. And these are the seasoning that I'm gonna use in the callaloo. So I have a tomato, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, and garlic. Okay, stay tuned. And please guys, I'm asking you please to support my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. I'm gonna put a little salt on it to give it the first wash, and then I'm gonna wash it again. So any insect or anything on it, the salt will take it away. I put a little salt in the water so that when the egg boil, the shell will easily come off. Don't have any trouble getting off the shell. When you cook the egg, add some salt to the water so that the shell can easily come off when you cook. So that is my 2 eggs. So guys, my breakfast is almost ready. That's my eggs. My callaloo is also finished. And I have some fever grass. So I will show you when I dish out and started eating. I have black pepper and cayenne pepper on my eggs. Okay guys, that is my breakfast. Okay guys, first I'm gonna taste my callaloo.